to the channel. Today we will be working on the Evo, and today we will be installing those bad boys right there. So we're gonna get some nice low suspension, not too low, but you know, just like a good amount, because this strut makes a lot of noise. I don't know if it's that one or that one, but when I'm driving it's really annoying, it's really bugging me, so might as well do the upgrade now. I didn't get any, I just got like the basic BR BC coilovers with the recommended specs, which are the spring rate for the front is 7 and the rear is 8. I just wanted to do nothing crazy because I don't really have anything really big or crazy to do on this car. At least that's the plan. My goal is just to make it like a cool, clean daily. But you know, things always happen and you always want to exceed that. So I mean, we'll see if the daily stays the daily. And if you haven't seen the video of this little power brace bar, you should go check it out. And here are the goods. Comes with some stickers and some warranty and disclaimer information. And here are the bad boys. I think this is the rear, if I'm correct. Yeah, pretty sure that's the rear. Oh yeah, I haven't installed a set of these since my LEXUS IS300, and man, boy, I miss that car. So here we go. We got our 2 rears and our 2 fronts, and these bad boys do come with some camber plates. And we got our Spaniard wrenches right there, and an Allen wrench so you could adjust your camber if you want to do negative or low positive. Do it right there. But let's go ahead and install these bad boys. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start and do the rear ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop the trunk and jack this bad boy up. So we got the Evo in the air. So now let's take off the wheels and see what we're working with. Another thing too, I need to seriously figure out how to put this, because this is just moving everywhere. And earlier too, I didn't connect this ground really good and ended up coming out too. So because of all the movement and stuff. But this thing, I'll figure it out. So I thought I was on stock suspension. I guess I am not. I guess I am on these Tane, I believe that's how you pronounce it, Tane or Tien lowering springs. So okay, so the rear should be really easy. So really, all we really gotta do is get this bolt off to get the shock off. And we're gonna take that bolt off as well, so the arm can swing down, so this coilover will just drop. And also the 2 14mm on top. And I think this is your camber adjustment for right here, I believe. So try to mark it, and then when you put it back on, try to just put it the same place where it was. That way your alignment isn't too off when you put everything back together. Does it right there. So we got our shock out, and here is it compared to the new BC. It's not that much of a difference right now, so I'm just gonna keep it like that for now and see how it looks. It looks like it will be a little lower, a little bit, so nothing too crazy. So I got both of those out, and I pretty much just got that one just placed in there because it's a little harder to do it by myself. But if you do it by yourself, just get like a jack and just put it where you think where the coilover is gonna sit on the bottom, and then just place it on there, and the jack will support it up while you get your nuts put on there. That way it doesn't fall, because it's a little harder to do it by yourself. But yeah, let's go ahead and put this last one on and get it going. So now that you got your coilover secure, with the two nuts on top, we're gonna go ahead and try to put this control arm back together. So I'm gonna try to probably put it on the coilover first or over there first, not sure yet. Let's see what makes it easier. And I will probably use a jack too, just to put up the control arm, that way it stays together as well. Okay, so I got both sides in, that side and that side, all good to go. I went ahead and already tightened it and put my alignment back to where it was before, and so now I should be good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the wheels back on, drop it, and then tie in the two bolts on the top. Got the two rears done. I did go ahead and tighten those right there, so we are pretty much finished with the rear. It did look like it raised it a little bit. Honestly don't know. I honestly don't remember, but I mean I'm gonna go ahead and adjust it and everything when I get new wheels. Right now it doesn't really bother me, so it doesn't even matter. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the front. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop the hood and raise this bad boy up. So I got my wheels off. First thing I'm gonna do is take off the strut bar. Just a bunch of 14 millimeters all around. So we got our wheels off, so now we're gonna go ahead and take off this coilover. So it's gonna be a little hard to see just because it's a little dark in here, but we're gonna just have these two bolts. They're both 19, so we're gonna hit it with the impact and hold the other side with the wrench, and then just take off this little pin right here. Take off this, let me see, take off this little ingot. But right there where the brake line goes, take off that little pin thingy, and then for the ABS right there too. And then once that's freed up, we can go ahead and unbolt it from the top, and then this coilover, shock, should come down. So we got our two bolts off, and we got this little pin from the brake line. And then we're gonna go ahead, well, should be nice and loose. There you go. And then now we're gonna go ahead and take these three nuts off, and should come down. So we got this bad boy out. Here's it compared to the brand new BC coilover. So this one's a little shorter, but let's see how the ride height goes. I'm not gonna adjust it since I don't have wheels yet. Once I get the wheels, I'll pretty much do it to my liking. But first thing, before we put them on too, we're gonna go ahead and take this bracket off in the back and put it back here. So we got this side nice and buttoned up. Now I just gotta do the other side. Then once I lower the car, I'm gonna go ahead and finish tightening the top, and then we should be good. Okay, everything tight, all on top. I put the wheels back on and torque them to spec, and now this thing's pretty much good to go. It did raise it up because back then I was at like 2 fingers, and now it's like at 3. It's like 3 over here too. About so. I'll end up lowering it later once I get the wheels and everything. A couple things have happened since I've installed the coilovers. As you can see right there, those are some nice TE37s that I have purchased for this bad boy. So like I said, I was gonna get some wheels soon. Well, soon came very soon. I found these on Facebook Marketplace for steal, and I mean steal. Brand new in the box and everything, new tires. It was an amazing deal. But yeah, so I didn't get to record any of it, but I'm gonna include it in this video. I was gonna lower it more when I get some wheels, but it looks pretty good right now. It could go a little bit lower, but I don't know if I want to do that since I do drive this car often. So I kind of want to drive it comfortably. So right now I don't know if I'm gonna lower it more or not, so I'm gonna just hold off on lowering it for now. But I also did my alignment already as well. Shout out to my homie Jack. But right now it's looking really good. I really love how it turns out. I really love how these have like engraved right here. Usually they have like a sticker, but these have, they're engraved. I never really seen that. Also, another thing that I need to do is paint this caliper, man. I hate the green. It's just weird, and the blue bar just throws it off. But it's just been so cold and just raining, and yeah, so I just haven't had a chance. I even have time actually, but hopefully we can get those painted soon. I'm really debating on a color. I kind of want to match it with the blue bar, then also want to do like a silver or like a highlight yellow. And then whatever color I do end up choosing, if it doesn't end up being blue, I will repaint the bar the same color as whatever I do. So right now I'm just very indecisive. But man, I really love how it's turning out. I really wish it was the wheels I got were a different color because the car is already black. But these are like, it's like a graphite or something. It's a really nice color. In the sun it just sparkles, but it is what it is. I got a deal on them. I cannot complain. Yeah, this kind of concludes the BC racing coilovers and pretty much new TE37s on this bad boy, man. It looks so good. But I do want to go ahead and go wash it because I haven't washed this car since I got it paint corrected. Shout out to my homie Hobby for that. But it is very dirty and it's been raining every day, and I kind of want to go wash it and then go get some clips going. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and go do that. I do also have a bunch of goodies here for that bad boy over there, so stay tuned for this.